Hi everybody, today we're going to show you how to apply the One Design visor sticker onto the visor. First, warm the sticker with a hair blower or any similar tool available. Warm the sticker for about 1 minute. Be sure to warm the entire sticker and both sides. Do not overheat the sticker. Make sure you warm the visor a little. Keep the blower on so the sticker stays warm. Remove the back layer of the sticker. Now find the middle of the visor and rub your finger down the center of the sticker to place. If the sticker becomes too soft, turn off the heat. Apply light pressure while pushing out any air under the sticker. Be patient and remove all air to ensure the best final appearance. Place the blower in front of the sticker to help place it on the visor. Keep rubbing your finger to adhere sticker onto the visor. As you can see, I applied the sticker perfectly. When you approach the sides of the visor, bring the blower close to the visor to soften the sticker. Once the process is completed, go over the edges to eliminate any bubbles on the visor. Check the surface and rub to eliminate any bubbles. Keep doing this process close to the blower. Once the process is complete, set the blower aside and wait for the sticker to harden. Be sure that all bubbles are removed from the visor. Now we need to trim the unnecessary part that is left. Carefully place hand above the visor when cutting, and be sure to not ruin the front side. As you can see, the sticker is taking the visor shape. Now for the final touch. We want to make sure we have no problem opening or closing the visor. The visor is perfectly covered. Now we need to trim the last details. Now the process is completed. The visor is ready to be used in your helmet. This is another innovative piece made by One Design.